look at the question on approximation under 2022. That's paper 19. The mass of a loaf of bread is 702.1 grams. Correct one decimal place. Okay. So the mass has been given. The mass is what? 702.1 grams. That's the mass. Now, they are saying the first question is saying find the lower limit. Find the lower what? Limit. Now, how do you find the lower limit? You say, let me answer the first question. Lower limit, you say lower limit is equal to, in this case, we are going to say the mass given, the mass which has been given, okay? The mass given minus the absolute error. Okay, the absolute error of that mass. Are we together? Now, how do you find the absolute error of this mass? Who can tell us what is the absolute error for this mass?
0.05.
0.05, yes. Okay? If it was a whole number, the absolute error of, for a whole number, let's say about this one, the absolute error is what? It's 0.5. But if it has one decimal place, let's say the number is like this, 50.1. Are we together? The absolute error is that one, 0.05. Like in our case, this one has got one decimal place. So the absolute error for this is what? 0.05. Okay? So you just subtract for you to find the lower limit. If we were told to find the upper limit, we could have said upper limit is equal to the mass given plus the absolute what? Error. So we say equals, what is the absolute error? 0 what? 0.1 minus 0.05. You subtract nicely and say 702.1 and ensure that the decimals are on a straight line. Eh? So we can put what here? Here it's 0.05. Are we together? And subtract. Okay? So you have 0 here. So what is 10 minus 5? You get what?
5.
10 minus 5 you get 5, right? Oh, some of you don't know what I'm doing. 0 minus 5 you get 1, 9, so it becomes 0. Then 10 minus 5 you get what? 5. Then 0 minus 0 is 0, point. Okay? Then this one just maintain the sign. Okay, 702 minus 0 get what? 702. This is our lower limit. Okay, but if they said find the upper limit, we would have added that.
Yes.
Now the last question is the relative error. So question B, we want the relative error. So relative error is equal to what? Absolute error over the true value. Absolute error divided by the true value. So what is our absolute error? Our absolute error is what? 0.05. Okay? Divided by what is our true value? Our true value is 702.1. Are we together? So in this case, what are we going to do? We need to convert the numerator into a what? A whole number. Just a minute, you. Okay? Just wait for me outside, eh? Yes, what do you want? Okay. So we are going to multiply, so say by 1 here by 1, eh? So how many decimal places? 1 to 1. So 2 zeros. Are we together like this? Is it okay? So when you multiply now, 0.05 times 100 to get what? You get 5, right? Over now, when you multiply this one, 702.1 times 100, they're going to get 70210. Is it okay?
Yes.
Yeah. So we can now proceed and multiply. Sorry, and divide. Sorry. So we are going to say 5 into 5 is what? 1. Okay. Then 5 into 70 is 14. Then 5 into 2 is what? It's 0. Then 5 into 2 can get what? You get 40, 42. I think this is supposed to be one side.
Yes.
So that is our relative error. No calculator is allowed.